October 29th, 2025. 3 days from now, an object from another star system disappears behind the sun. In the next 15 minutes, you're going to discover 1. Why this object's chemistry is impossible under our solar system's physics, and what that means for the structure of reality itself. 2. The 8 anomalies that convinced Harvard's top astrophysicist this is 90% likely to be artificial intelligence. 3. Why it positioned itself behind the sun during the one moment we needed to observe. Was this strategic? 4. The vibration frequency this object carries from another star system and how you can align with it before October 29th. 5. What happens December 19th if it survives the solar passage? The observation window, the cosmic confirmation. This isn't just astronomy. This is first contact hiding in plain sight. And by the end of this documentary, you'll know exactly what to do about it. Let's begin. Every night, 4 telescopes scan the sky for threats. They're called ATLAS, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. On July 1st, 2025, they found something that wasn't a threat. It was a message, at first routine, a moving dot. But within hours, the math broke. This object wasn't orbiting our sun. It was passing through. The third interstellar visitor in human history, after Oumuamua in 2017, after 2I Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas was different. It was aimed. Look at this trajectory. September, unusually close to Jupiter. October, unusually close to Mars. November, unusually close to Venus. December, unusually close to Earth. 4 planets. In sequence, in 5 months. Dr. Avi Loeb at Harvard calculated the probability. 0.005%. 0.005%. And the orbital plane? Within 5 degrees of Earth's orbit. Probability of that, 0.2%. Combined probability, 1 in 10 million. On July 22nd, Loeb published a paper. Is the interstellar object 3I Atlas alien technology? The scientific establishment went ballistic. This object doesn't come from our solar system. That's not speculation. That's confirmed by trajectory analysis. It came from out there, from another star's physics, which means its entire structure, its chemistry, its composition was formed under different rules than anything we've ever studied. But the trajectory controversy? That's nothing. Because when they analyzed its chemistry, they found something that breaks every rule we thought we knew about comets. Something so impossible, some scientists refuse to believe the data. You need to see this next part. Don't skip ahead. August 2025. The James Webb Space Telescope analyzed 3I Atlas's coma, the cloud of gas and dust surrounding it. Every comet we've ever studied shows one thing: water. H2O dominates. 3I Atlas showed something else. CO2 to H2O ratio, 8:1. 8 times more carbon dioxide than water. That's not just unusual. That's impossible for our solar system. Here's why that matters. Water ice forms close to stars. CO2 ice forms far from stars, in the cold, radiation-rich outer regions. 3I Atlas formed in conditions our solar system has never experienced. Different physics, different chemistry, different vibration of matter. Here's what this means. 3I Atlas formed in a different physics than ours. Different star, different radiation environment, different chemical processes, matter organized by different rules. Our solar system, water-rich, iron-nickel together, tails point away from the sun. Their system, CO2-rich, pure nickel only, anti-tail pointing toward the sun. But the CO2 ratio wasn't even the strangest part. September 2025, spectroscopic analysis detected nickel emissions, strong, clear, unmistakable, with 0 iron. In nature, nickel and iron always appear together, Same stellar processes, same formation. Every asteroid, every comet, every meteorite, both present. 3I Atlas, pure nickel, no iron. A Harvard material scientist said, "The only time we see this is in controlled metallurgy, industrial processes, human-made alloys. Except humans didn't make this. Someone, or something, else did. And then in August, it did the impossible thing. Comets have tails. Always. Tails point away from the sun. Solar wind pushes gas and dust backward. Every comet, every time. For 4 billion years of observation. 3I Atlas developed an anti-tail, pointing toward the sun. For 3 weeks, material jetted sunward. Then, on September 15th, it suddenly reversed. Natural physics doesn't do this. This isn't a weird comet. This is matter from a different reality visiting ours. And it's about to teach us something profound. If this object carries different chemistry from a different star system, what else does it carry? Because chemistry is just frozen vibration. And vibration, that's where this story gets personal. The next chapter changes everything. Don't skip it. This is where you come in. Let's step back from the controversy for a moment. Because whether 3I Atlas is artificial or natural almost doesn't matter. What does matter is this. This object carries chemistry from another physics. Matter formed in a different vibrational field, frozen at different frequencies, organized by different stellar rhythms. Think about what that means. Different chemistry equals different vibration equals different frequency signature. If you've studied cymatics, you know, sound shapes matter. If you've studied quantum physics, you know, observation collapses waves. If you've studied consciousness, you know, vibration is the language of reality. 3I Atlas is a different dialect of that language, and it just passed through our solar system, which means your body is vibration. Your cells oscillate at specific frequencies. Your consciousness tunes into those frequencies. When something from a different vibration enters your field, even from 100 million kilometers away, it creates resonance, interference patterns, new harmonics. This is why ancient cultures watched the skies obsessively, not for omens, for alignment. They knew as above, so below. They knew cosmic frequencies affect terrestrial consciousness. And right now, in late 2025, an object carrying the vibration signature of another star system is passing through Earth's orbital space. That's not just astronomy. That's an opportunity. Let me show you how to use it. Here's the practice. You can do this right now, especially in the next 3 days before October 29th. Step 1. Visualize the path. Close your eyes. Imagine 3I Atlas's trajectory from beyond, through Jupiter, through Mars, through Venus, toward the sun. In 3 days, it passes closest to the sun, behind the sun, where we can't see it. That path is not just spatial. It's energetic. It's a test. Step 2. Sense the vibration. This object carries frequency from another system, ancient, cold, carbon-rich, different physics. Don't think about it. Feel it. Like sensing a note before you hear it, it's approaching the ultimate test right now. Solar heat, maximum intensity. Step 3, align your field. 2 phases. Your consciousness is a receiver. Tune it. Before October 29th, the next 3 days, ask, what frequency does this visitor carry? How can I support its passage? Set your intention. If it's meant to survive, I align with that outcome. Breathe with it. Inhale, drawing in the interstellar vibration. Exhale, releasing doubt and fear. Step 4. The 2 alignment dates, October 29th. As it goes dark behind the sun, meditate. Hold the frequency. Send your consciousness to witness what telescopes cannot. December 19th. If it survives and passes Earth, do this practice again, longer, deeper. because that's when you lock in the confirmation. That's when the new frequency becomes permanent. But it starts in 3 days. October 29th, be ready. But here's the problem. October 29th, 3 days from now, it goes behind the sun. For 8 days, we can't observe it. Right during the ultimate test. Was this intentional? Strategic positioning? Because if it survives that solar passage intact, everything changes. Next chapter, the 2 dates that prove everything. 2 dates, 2 moments, 2 tests. October 29th, 3 days from now. Perihelion, closest approach to the sun, 203 million kilometers. The moment when solar radiation hits maximum intensity. Natural comets? They break apart, they disintegrate, they die. But 3i Atlas positioned itself on the exact opposite side of the sun from Earth. For 8 days, we can't observe it. Loeb's quote, "If it survives perihelion intact, probability of artificial origin exceeds 90%. This is the test, and we can't watch it happen. Coincidence? Or did something choose the one trajectory that hides during the moment that would prove its nature?" November 6th, 1 week after perihelion, 3i Atlas emerges from behind the sun. Either it's gone, broken apart like a natural comet should, or it's intact. And if it's intact after surviving temperatures that should destroy it, everything changes. December 19th, 54 days from now. If 3i Atlas survives, October 29th, this is when it passes Earth. Closest approach, 105 million kilometers. The International Asteroid Warning Network Monitoring Campaign. November 27th through January 27th. James Webb, Hubble, Atacama, Keck. Every major telescope trained on the object that shouldn't exist. We will get clear images. We will confirm the nickel signature. We will detect any transmissions. But only if it survives the test we can't see. 2 moments, 2 alignments. October 29th. Align before the test. Set your intention. Connect with the cosmic vibration. December 19th. Observe after it proves itself. Witness the confirmation. Lock in the new frequency. 3 days until the first test. Then we wait 51 more days to see what survived. Because there's a second date that matters even more. If it survives October 29th, December 19th, is when it passes closest to Earth. That's when every major telescope on the planet will be watching. That's when we get confirmation. And that's when you complete the alignment. Final chapter. Your mission for both dates. What happens after December 19th? 4 scenarios. Scenario 1, it's a weird comet. Natural, ancient, unusual chemistry. Implication, our galaxy is filled with matter vibrations we've never encountered. Reality is far stranger than we thought. Scenario 2, it's an ancient probe, inactive, sent millions of years ago. Implication, we're not alone. We never were alone. We're just late to the cosmic conversation. Scenario 3, it's an active probe, observing, transmitting. Implication, someone is watching us right now, and on December 19th, they'll be closest. Scenario 4, it's something beyond our categories. Implication, the universe operates on principles we haven't even imagined yet. All 4 scenarios lead to the same conclusion. The universe is more conscious, more connected, and more vibrant than mainstream science admits. And you, yes, you watching this, are part of that cosmic network. 3i Atlas is the reminder. Right now, 3i Atlas is approaching the sun. In 3 days, October 29th, it faces the ultimate test, solar radiation at maximum intensity, heat that destroys natural comets, and we can't watch. But here's what makes this profound. October 29th, the test we can't observe. November 6th, the emergence. Does it survive? December 19th, the observation. If it's intact, we confirm. Early 2026, it leaves forever. This object is on a schedule, a trajectory, a mission. And that mission includes you. Because this isn't just about alien probes or natural comets. It's about proof. Proof that interstellar exchange is real. Proof that different physics exists. Proof that vibration is the universal language. Proof that we're not alone. Your atoms were forged in stellar cores. Your water came from ancient comets. Your consciousness tunes into cosmic rhythms. Three-Eye Atlas is not visiting Earth. It's visiting you. So here's your mission before October 29th. 3 days. 1. Practice the alignment meditation I showed you. Daily. Morning and night. 2. On October 29th, as it goes dark behind the sun, meditate. Hold the frequency. Witness with your consciousness what telescopes cannot see. 3. Subscribe to this channel. I'll post daily updates until October 29th. Live meditation, October 29th during perihelion, November 6th emergence coverage, and December 19th observation event. 4. Share this video now. The more consciousness is aligned on October 29th, the stronger the collective field. October 29th, 2025, 3 days, the test behind the sun. Then November 6th, we see if it survived. Then December 19th, if it's intact, we observe it up close. 3 dates, 3 alignments. 1 cosmic confirmation. Mark them all. Set your intention now. And remember, you are not observing the cosmos. You are the cosmos observing itself. In 3 days, Three-Eye Atlas proves this. Will you be ready?